done been alone for too long, but this life, it be fucking.
I need to do 2 transactions. Okay. Alright, y'all, so right now I am at the bank. 9:43. Hi. Good. Can I get a number 7 regular? Yes, ma'am. I don't know where I'm gonna go after this. I don't know if I want to hit up Food Lion, then probably go to Walmart. I know I'm gonna have to go to Walmart, but I don't want to keep taking him in and out of the car, especially when he's like sleepy. I got me a number 7 regular. I'm gonna eat my sub and then we are going to head out. Oh, he put a lot of mayonnaise on here. Matter of fact, I just want to watch Judge Mathis. I just want something real quick. Something really quick. Wow. Like, look at those. Mayonnaise. No. Sit down, sit down. Sit down, Asher. So we're gonna get him some snacks. Yeah. 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 What? Let's get you a couple of these. Hold on, we can get you this. Alright, y'all, it is super packed in here right now. So I'm gonna try to be as quick as possible. I'm not gonna bring you guys along the whole way through. I just want to be in and out, and I don't want to forget what I'm in here to get. So I will see you guys once we are out of the store. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Packed in here, y'all. Super packed in here. Alright, y'all, so we made it out of Walmart. I didn't get a whole bunch of stuff. I just got some baby food, stuff for the baby. Honestly, I was getting overstimulated. It was too many people in there. I think I'm gonna come out later on with the kids. He's up, sitting in his seat. So I think it's just best if I just go ahead and ride home now while he's in a good mood. And then we'll come out later on with the kids. Because he's doing... You want more? Yeah. You're so cute, Sheer. He got so many compliments in there. So many compliments. Like, the woman at the register was speaking to him. The people in front of us was speaking to him. And he was just waving and talking. I love him so much. He's such a good baby. When he wants to be, y'all. Okay, so I just got my package from TikTok. I said I was going to start investing in like jewelry, dainty jewelry. So I got me some rings from the TikTok shop. I was looking for something that was like stackable. It's going to tarnish quickly, so let's unbox this. And it comes with 3 rings. Oh, it looks, this is 3. I usually wear size 7. It's still a little bit big, so I went down a size. Got a size 6. So this is the first one. Okay. I cut my finger too, so I have to be careful. Oh, hold on. There we go. So, this is how it looks. This is like the medium size. So let's try the thicker one. And all of them, of course, are size 6. So I think I'm gonna put, you see how thick this one is? This is the thickest one that I have. I think I'm gonna put this on the, oh, it can't fit. So let's see, pointer. Oh. See, this pointer is kind of swollen because I cut it. My gosh, y'all, so I tried to size down. And now it won't even go on my damn, over my knuckle. Wow. Wow, okay. I don't know what's up with this hand and this hand. But they're fitting on this hand. Okay. So this is how it looks so far. And we're gonna go in with the smaller one. Hopefully one can fit on this finger. You see this little cut that I have right here? Ugh. It still hurts, kind of swollen. I did order another set of rings as well. They are size 6, so hopefully I can put some on this hand. All right, so we got, oh, let's go ahead and put this over it. How come we're gonna get these off? Because this is, all right, so we have one. Yeah, it's cute. I believe these were $13. I'm not sure, but these are so cute. There are 3 different sizes: the large, the medium, and then the small. So you can see the thickness of them all. Yeah. Oops. Got ourselves some nice, cute, dainty jewelry. I'm wearing my earrings. I have my glasses. I also bought some necklaces that I'm going to be wearing too. Yeah, we're putting some effort into our look. I'm building up my wardrobe, building up my accessories. I got some cute nails from Amazon, some really cute press-on nails. Once these are done and over with, I'm going to put those nails on with my stackable rings. Cute, cute. So cute. I just made these dumplings. Is that that it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the same one. Yeah, so yeah, I picked these up from the dollar store because that's where they were. I usually get these from the bargain market, but they had them in Family Dollar. So I did pick them up to try them. My daughter, she likes them. She already had them, so this is my very first time. This is how it looks.
No.
Yeah, you can try one of yours. Okay. I'm just poking holes in it right now. And I'm going to pour the sauce on them. Let it get all through.
I'm supposed to eat a green onion.
Let's go ahead and try it. Look. This is how they look straight out the box. The sauce is what makes it.
It's sweet.
Yeah, it's more sweeter.
Yeah, that's why I like that sweet sauce.
Yeah, they're really good.
We don't have no bad ingredients.
Yeah, this is really good, y'all. I do like it. All right, I gotta get ready to clean this house, y'all, and that's probably gonna be the end of this vlog for today.
No, I just want to record you. I'm in the store.
I already did all that. Bye.